In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video on iPhone. Shortening a video on your iPhone is quick and easy using the built-in Photos app, and you won't need any extra tools. By the end, you will know exactly how to tighten the beginning and end of a clip so it's ready to share. Post or save. Start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Navigate to the video you want to shorten and tap it to open. It can be any clip in your library, whether it's something you just recorded or an older video you want to polish. Once the video is open, look for the Edit button. Depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, you will find Edit in the top right corner or along the bottom edge of the screen. Go ahead and tap Edit to enter the video editor. You will now see a yellow frame viewer, also known as the timeline, at the bottom of the screen. On each end of that timeline are small arrows or handles. These represent the start and end points of your video. To trim away unwanted parts, touch and hold either the left handle to adjust the beginning or the right handle to adjust the ending. Then drag the handle inward toward the center. As you move a handle, the preview above updates to reflect the new in and out points, helping you line up your trim precisely. Take your time here. A slow, steady drag makes it easier to land right where you want. If you only need to cut a tiny bit, make very small adjustments and watch the frame change as you go. You can adjust one side first and then the other. And you can always move the handles again before you finalize. When you are satisfied with the start and end positions, tap Done. This button appears in the bottom right corner on some devices, and in the top right corner on others. After tapping Done, you will be asked how you want to save your changes. Choose Save Video if you are comfortable replacing the original file with the trimmed version. If you want to keep both, select Save Video as New Clip. That option creates a new, shorter copy while leaving the original untouched in your library. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.